everyone, welcome back to Cherish the Life. I hope you all are enjoying the sunshine. Well, of course, plants do, and they give us beautiful flowers. Today, I'll be showing you the color-changing flower experiment. So, just before I plucked a flower from the garden, and then I put it in red color water for a few hours. Do you want to know what happened? It turned into a red flower. As the water used the same pathway over and over and over, began to transmit the flower darker and darker and darker. Our brain works in the same way to form a new habit. Neural pathways are the basis of habits. Neural pathways are strengthened into habits through the repetition, practice of thinking, feeling, and acting. Just like how the flower changed the color through the repetition of water flow. Our brain is so innocent that it cannot differentiate between something real or imagination. So, visualization also helps to strengthen the pathway. Here is an example of neural pathways. This part is not repeated much, so it is not strong enough. Here is another pathway. This is the most repeated path. Though it is very long, it is the easiest to travel on. So consistency is very important to form a new habit. Once it is formed, it follows you all through your life. Thank you for watching and see you next time with another experiment.